Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to tune a jointed Dizi. Firstly, you need a Dizi with a bronze or bronze-plated joint. Secondly, you need a tuner. Now blow the note that you want to tune.
Oops, we didn't expect the Dizi to be so perfectly in tune. So you see, our Dizis are actually quite good. Now we will just show you how to adjust the pitch lower and higher so that you can tune your Dizi if it is out of tune.
Pull the joints apart to shift the pitch lower. Push the joints together to shift the pitch higher. Do note that tuning with the bronze joint is an overall pitch adjustment for the whole Dizi. For more minute tuning of individual notes, you will still need to carve holes, and this requires years of experience to do it. So a good well-tuned Dizi really helps you a lot. Having the bronze joint can help compensate for climate changes. Otherwise, you could also adjust your blowing angles to adjust the pitch.
Oh, we are rolling? Oh, oops. Yes, so I'm here because there's a few things that we forgot to mention to you. First, you should try to align the holes so that it will be easier for you to play. Right? This will not affect the pitching, but it's more for your usability. Like, how are you going to play the Dizi like this? Right? When you pull out, right, you try to align the hole also, right, so that it will be easy for you to play. Second, if you are looking to purchase your first Dizi, having a good tunable Dizi with joint is fantastic if you need to adjust to the perfect pitch, but the joint does not help with the relative pitching. So, regardless, with or without the joint, the Dizi has to be well tuned in the first place for good relative pitching, and you can't change it on your own without years of experience. So if you're not playing with an orchestra or with an accompaniment, for example the piano, you can get an unjointed Dizi. I think that is absolutely fine for beginners. Is there anything else? I think that's all. Yeah, so now I'm going to pass this back to Jun Cheng to do the outro.
That's all for today. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye!